Picture Paris again. The cafe is still there, but now the calendar flips faster. Pages fall, years pass, decades whisper. In French, talking about dates is not just about today. It's about anchoring yourself in time. To say the full date, French follows a clear rhythm. Le plus the day, the number, the month and the year. Nous sommes vendredi le 16 janvier 2026. On est le 5 octobre 1999. The article le always introduces the date, like opening a door to time. French gives the first day of the month a title, le premier. For example, le 1er janvier 2024, le 1er septembre 1985. Every other day uses regular numbers. Vous vous souvenez de la date? Bien sûr, on est le 1er mars 2020. Dates often sound formal in French, even in simple moments. When something happens on a date, French keeps le. Le mariage est le 12 juin 2010. Le concert était le 3 mai 1987. But when you zoom out to months or years, French switches prepositions. En juin, en 2010, en 1987. For example, ils se sont rencontrés en 2003. Years are usually pronounced as whole numbers, not digit by digit. 1998, 2005, 2026. Notice something important. French does not use and in numbers. No et slips in. Tu es né en quelle année? En 1994. Short, clean, very common in spoken French. Now the camera zooms out even further. Decades in French are usually expressed with les années. Les années 80, les années 90, les années 2000. For example, les années 80 étaient très colorées. La musique des années 90 est culte. For older decades, you may also hear les années 60, les années 50. Both forms exist. Both numbers are especially common in modern speech. Tu préfères quelle époque? Franchement, les années 90, la musique, les films. Decades in French often carry emotion, memory, and style. Some dates are spoken so often in France that they almost feel timeless. Le 14 juillet 1789, the storming of the Bastille. En 1958, the birth of the Fifth Republic. En 1998, France wins the Football World Cup. En 2020, a year everyone remembers, even without saying why. Years alone can carry entire stories. French loves time-based expressions. À la date d'aujourd'hui. As of today. Du jour au lendemain. From one day to the next. Marquer une date. To be a turning point. Être en avance sur son temps. To be ahead of one's time. Ce film a marqué une date. Oui, il était en avance sur son temps. To recap, you use le for full dates, premier for the first day, en for months and years. Years are said as full numbers, and you indicate decades with les années. From 1 day to 10 years, French always gives time a structure. Whether you're talking about le 1er janvier 2000, les années 80, or en 2026, you're no longer lost in time. You're speaking it. À très bientôt et à la prochaine date.